come back to the thing will confuse you for here. The impulse and correctional. Gideon, this be what?
Impulse,
Impulse. Where this be what?
correctional, or pullback.
Correctional. Impulse or pullback. That's it. We another one today. Retracement. You get it? The word you go see say squad they use probably retracement. After retracement, pullback be the one squad they use. That's why if you know what it is. Maybe you know correctional, but you go somewhere, somebody say retracement. You don't know what the person they talk about. So impulse here be correctional. At the same time, we they call them retracement. At the same time, we they call them what? Pullback. Jasper. Then this part will they confuse you. See something here. Here be what? Impulse. I say impulsive move be what? They move where they move in direction of the trend. What be the trend? Uptrend. Up. Where we move, they move in direction of the trend. These moves, the impulse moves, they move in direction of the trends. So it be impulse. Where correctional pullback, then retracement with the moves, where they move against the trend. I mean, you know, say in every trend, even in uptrend, we somehow get market they move up and down in uptrend, right?
Yeah.
So pullback, make I just use pullback. Pullback. Pullback be the move where they move against the trend. So this year, this move right here be the pullback. This move right here be the what? Pullback. So here be what? Impulse, pullback. Impulse, pullback. Downtrend to the same way. Make you know say sake of uptrend, the impulsive move be this. So downtrend, impulsive move go be this. Downtrend to the same thing all the time. Not the most of the time, say all of the times, the impulsive moves be the strong moves. Hey, this thing confuse me, wow, I swear. After them teach me finish, confuse me plenty times. Me now go back, go try babam. The impulse then pull back. Pull back. You get it?
Yeah.
Pull back this. We say move where they move in direction of the trend with the what? Impulsive move. We move where they move against the trend with what? Pull back. You see something? See, after the market move, it what? It pull come back. You back. After the impulsive move, it pull come back. It retrace. It retrace. You understand? So impulsive move, correctional or pullback. You get it?
Yep.
You get it now.
Yeah.
So Jasper, I hope say this one no go come to you again. The impulsive move.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.